Sun's out, kids off for the summer.
That's right. Thousands of kids who rely on free or reduced lunches during the school year can still be eligible for healthy meals throughout the summertime. And now Senator Kirsten Gillibrand is pushing for more and easier accessibility. WENY's Tanja Reiki reports from Corning.
Guys, the Salvation Army here in Corning is one of dozens of locations across the southern tier that participate with the summer food service program. Already, over 100 students are registered for its free summer day camp where they get free and nutritious meals. The program benefits children ages 18 and younger from low-income households. According to the Food Bank of the Southern Tier, nearly 34,000 local children receive these free and reduced price meals throughout the school year. They say during the summer, only 18% of them get free meals through the summer food service program. So they're pairing up with local organizations to spread the word. Now, in the meantime, Senator Gillibrand's new proposal aims to better integrate summer education and meal programs. Her Summer Meals Act also would increase access to the meal programs by allowing areas with 40% of students getting free or reduced lunches during the school year to participate. Right now, the bar is set at 50%.
A lot of these children who get a good meal at school's not available to them. So I think a lot of them would probably not get nutritious meals or go hungry during the summer if it wasn't for free lunch and breakfast programs like this brings. So it does fill the gap, and there's an obvious need for it.
And there's an interactive map available online where you can look up locations that participate with the program. For more information, just click on this story on WENY.com. Reporting in Corning, Tanja Reiki, WENY News.